Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Miss,
Prasanna,
author of.
Love Under the Spotlight.
So, ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's my first time ever at the book fair, and so I'm very, very excited.
Right.
As an avid book reader, this really is a dream come true. Not just coming here as a reader, but as an
Right.
author.
Can you just tell us a few words about your book?
My book is a quick, fun read. It's a romance novel. It involves a young couple, college kids from Mumbai. And it's set against the wonderful background of Bollywood.
Right.
So there's glamour, there's glitz,
Wow.
there's a little bit of nook joke. But overall, there's a lot of fun.
It's a Karan Johar film in a book.
In a way, yes, totally. So Karan Johar, if you're listening,
they got
that's the next
movie
script
here.
right there. No, so it's definitely a lot of fun,
Right.
and I had a lot of fun writing it. So I'm
Right.
hoping that people
Which is
find-
most important, I feel like.
Yeah, absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
What do you think about your book stands out, in this romance novel genre?
So I think what really stands out about this is that the characters that I've written are somewhere rooted in reality.
Okay.
So
they're relatable.
Absolutely. So the
Right.
thing is, I actually work in media and entertainment.
Okay.
So a lot of things that I've written are, based on things that I have experienced,
Right.
and so a lot of things that you'll read in this are kind of things that would ring true.
Right.
And at the same time, the characters are a lot of fun. There's a lot of banter. So
Wonderful.
I think it's the kind of book where you laugh and you feel a little sad sometimes with the characters,
Right.
but overall you have a lot of good fun.
Right. That was wonderful, ma'am.
Thank
you
you
so
so
much for
much.
sharing your experience. I
Thank
hope you have
you.
a wonderful book fair.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.